Hey, I couldn't find any videos on how to change the light bulbs in here for the shift light bulbs. So I'm doing a video. There's a lot of videos on here on how to remove this. You know, you pull this down, and then there's this pin. This pin is in here. Pull this out. Make sure you do not lose this pin. And then I think I had to pull in the shifter knob stick, and then it came out. And then you take this out. And now this, I looked all over. I thought you had to take this trim out, because I think in other Nissans you do, or pull this out, and I almost broke something. Glad I didn't. All it is the seam down here, which is hard to see, so I used a pretty big screwdriver to get it popped out before using the plastic tool, then wedge it around. But it comes off. Once you see it, you'll know how to do it. It's this. Now I've already changed it. I'm going to include the second half of it, but there's two light bulbs under here to change. The easier one is that one right there, which goes into the little compartment on the side. You probably don't even know there's a light bulb because it's so dim. This one right here. And then there's the second one, which I'm going to have to take off this to get to, which is this light bulb here. It's only 4 screws to get this off. I'll show that in a second. And then replace it, and I show the video. I'll show the bulb that you take out, and I'll show the bulbs that I'm replacing with little wedge bulbs. Alright. Okay, so this is the second half. Turns out there's only 4 screws. You don't have to undo the whole thing. You have to undo screw here, 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 and this one. And after you undo those 4, this part comes off. And then here's the light bulb. It is a twist. That's the one right there. I'll shine light on it before I take it out. It's that one right there. It's the only one with the wire going to it. You twist it 90 degrees, comes out, and that's the one. And then, oops, sorry about that. That's the one right there. And that's just a tiny little wedge bulb. Here's the little wedge bulb that I'll be putting in there to replace that. This is the one that came out of it. This would be way brighter. There we go. If you can zoom in on that. That's from super bright LEDs. And I'll take another video when I put it in. Before I put it in, here's another video of what they look like side by side. And I did order the orange one. Here is when you take it out. This goes into